going to be talking about the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Skin Tint. I'm going to be applying this all over my face and letting you guys know what I think about this. So I have had this, I've been using this for about 6 months now. So I know what I like about it. I know what I don't like about it. So I feel like I can give an honest review on this product. So let's just get right into it. It's very liquidy. So you've got to shake it, shake it, shake it. I am in the shade 13, which is also Rihanna's shade. Just in case anybody wondered. Anyway, I'm in the shade 13, and it comes in this cute little packaging. And I am gonna use a beauty blender to apply it. I like to just do this. Maybe unpopular opinion, maybe unpopular way to apply it, who knows, but this is the way I like to do it. So if you want to come for me, do whatever you want. This is the way I like to apply it. Take your damp beauty blender and just blend it right on out. Blend it right on out. Got a big old zit layer. We'll see if that covers it up. I mean, you can already see how much it covers for just a skin tint. You see this dark this dark circle, it's almost gone on this side. So even just one layer really does even out your skin tone and give you more of just an evened out complexion. Again, it's not a foundation, it's just a skin tint, so you're not gonna get super glam coverage or anything, but for the everyday girl on the go. Alright, that is one layer. You can see how quickly you can blend this in with a beauty blender. It takes 2 seconds. It's so fast. It just melts into your skin. It's so nice. So this is one layer on. Honestly, I just do one layer. I don't really see, it's just even out my skin tone. My bags are still present, but it just looks like my skin, but a lot healthier. I put a little blush on, I put my brows on, a little bit of mascara, and you can see it's just a very fresh face look. And yeah, overall, I would definitely recommend this. I think this is probably one of my favorite skin tints that I've tried ever. I'll definitely be repurchasing this when I run out. A few things to know. This is not a high coverage foundation. If you're looking for high coverage, find something else. This is not a high coverage foundation. I think most people who know what a skin tint is expect that, but it just evens out your complexion, makes your skin look juicy, dewy, fresh, like you've been drinking gallons of water, and it doesn't last very long. If you wear it alone, it doesn't last very long. If you layer it with concealer, some powder, you'll be good to go for the day. But alone, max, I would say 4 hours. For what it is, I feel like Rihanna, my girl, my queen, Fenty did a very good job at marketing this as what it is. I don't think there's anything that they claim this to be that it wasn't. It's a skin tint. You look dewy, you look fresh, you look good. And I don't think they claim that it would last, I don't think on the packaging it says long wearing or anything, because it's not. But I hope this little review helped you. I love watching these videos when I am deciding on new makeup to buy. I think it's $29. So it's not the most expensive skin tint, but it's also not drugstore affordable. But I definitely think it's worth a try. Try it out. I think it's a really good product. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you. Give it a like. Subscribe if you would like. My name is Abiyah. I make videos, okay? And See you in the next one.